Hey guys, welcome to the Ibexx channel. My name is Trevor, and I'm going to be showing you my Polaris Pro R. This has our Ibexx Economy Turbo Kit. Now, the reason we call this our Economy Turbo Kit is because the price. This thing right now, for a limited time, is $59.99 for a turnkey turbo kit with everything you see here. You got your tuner, your clutch, your turbo, all the lines, hoses, everything you need to run this car. So, let me start at the turbo. We've got a 46 mil turbo. We've got our charge tube headed up underneath that way. Now, this exhaust comes in two different options. Obviously, I've got the cutout version, which this is our beta. This is one of the first ones. As you can see, it's a little close. The other one's going to come and kind of turn out this way, so you don't have to worry about that. If you don't want the cutout, then it's just going to connect right to the factory exhaust. Now, I have the bed taken out just to show you guys how everything is routed in here. You do not need to do any cutting on the bed. It will all fit very easily. So the bed is still there. You can use it. You don't have to cut, modify, change, anything like that. So how we did that right there is your intercooler. That is an air to water intercooler. This right here, that is your heat exchanger. So what that does is it keeps the liquid cool that's flowing through that, cools down the air in the intercooler. Bam, you have a great intercooler with all your bed space. Doesn't take up any of your back area here, so you can still see everything you need to. Now, we do use the factory intake. So we do have a silicone tube that comes around, connects right to your factory intake, as you can see there. So we are sucking air right through that factory intake. We also have our own billet oil piece right here. So your oil drain from your turbo comes right in there, but we also gave you an extra cap on here for an oil fill. One thing about the Pro R is you have to pull the bed in order to fill the oil, which is kind of annoying. So we have a piece being made with a fill spout that's going to mount up top. Everything comes down, empties right into that, so you can fill the oil of this thing from right up top. Makes it very convenient, so that's why we have an extra bung on there for you guys to do that. Now, this car, and any of yours as well, is going to come with HP tuners. That's what we are using to tune. So we actually send you the tuning device. You created an account, log in, we add you to our Ibexx account, and basically anytime we do a tune, you can get on and update the tune by yourself. It's very simple, has an app on your phone. So as we go along, if there's any problems in the future, bam, we send you an update, ready to go. We can also get data logs from your car, make things very easy. So that, in a nutshell, is the Ibexx Economy Turbo Kit. Like I said, limited time, so if you want one, go to our website, ibexx.com. Get yourself one ordered. Now, I'm going to go through, I have a couple videos of people that we had jump in at Takeover and tell us their unbiased thoughts on this thing. You guys can see that here. And then I'm going to just add some in-car driving of this thing so you can hear all the turbo noises and see how it accelerates, how quick the turbo lights, all that fun stuff. But again, if you have questions, our website, ibexx.com, our phone number is in the link below. The link to order this is also in the description below. So make sure you ask, reach out, whatever you need, we'll take care of you. And there you go. All right, guys, welcome to the Ibexx channel. We are here at Addiction Power Sports at UTV Takeover in Coos Bay, Oregon. So today what we are doing is we are going to let as many people as we can test drive my Pro R with our Economy Turbo Kit. So right now we've got Trevor from Addiction. He's going to take off in it and just go get his honest opinion of what he thinks of it. So this kit is on 6 pounds, 91 octane, so it's not the fastest thing. This is just a good tuner kit, and that's what we built this kit for. So the kit retails right now at $59.99. We are going to be doing that for the next little while, and then it's going to go up in price to $7,000. So you're saving $1,000 right now. So let's see what people think of this thing. All right, guys, Trevor from Addiction is back. He got to drive the Economy Turbo Kit, so we're going to see what he thinks. So Trevor?
Hey guys, first off, I just want to say how smooth it is. It is insane how quiet and smooth the car is. The way the clutch reacts, just straight off idle. You don't have a big stall or a big hit or anything. And then as you hit that turbo, it's still just smooth. There's nothing violent about it, but when you realize how fast you're going, it's nutty. You're low boost pump gas, but I mean, you're making about 275-ish horsepower to the wheels. I mean, yeah, it's crazy how affordable it is to get what you can get out of this setup. I'm super impressed.
Awesome. So you guys hear it there. Plus, Addiction is actually a new dealer for us. So if you want this turbo kit, you can call Trevor at Addiction Power Sports, and they can actually get you one set up. So go check it out.
And if you're watching from UTV Takeover, we have these kits here and we can set them up and check out any clutching issues you have. So come see us, come check out the product. It's pretty impressive.
There you go.
Oh,
What do you think?
economy kit.
So just he's a Can-Am guy. He has an X3 big turbo.
I work for Can-Am. I do love Can-Am. That may be one of my favorite cars I've duned in.
Yeah.
Like, the power is perfect for duning. The way it hits, it's very predictable, very linear, and you're not lacking any power. Like, that was a fun as hell ride. You're gonna see me just smiling the whole way out here.
I love it.
Yeah, can you get higher boost, higher power? Yes.
Yeah, you can.
But you want fun? That's just fun.
Yeah.
For the price, that's really, really fun.
$59.99 for a limited time.
Yes,
Limited time.
Limited time.
$99.99.
No, just runs really good, fun kit to drive, power's predictable. I don't know. I would say I like it better than my X3's FP Green power. I do.
It's got a lot more low end torque, and then the turbo hits.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, definitely a totally different experience from the last trip out.
good. Well,
I don't want to say I'm a Polaris guy, but I'm getting that was fun.
ooh,
Like, that was
ooh.
fun.
You almost said it.
I know.
You almost said it.
May convert him yet.
All right, we're gonna go play a little bit. We got some good shots of that, and then on the way back, I'm gonna get some good rollers and whatnot of this thing doing its thing.
Sounds good.
It does.
Sounds really good.
Oh! Yeah! He went really fast. Did you catch it?
Yeah.
Oh, that was a good one. Oh, that would have been a good shot. Go.
did things I didn't think it would do on 6 pounds of boost. I figured it would take like 10, 12. No, it just did it. It wheelied. It stood up pretty good. You guys have seen that by now, but it stood up pretty good. I love that turbo kit. It's 100%
Worth it. For the price, that is an unbeatable turbo.
And it just wakes this car up because you need to have some power, especially if you're dooning. This is gonna drive me nuts. Especially if you're dooning, you need power because these cars without power just aren't fun. I mean, we're just spoiled.
We're spoiled, but stock, you're just going, oh, there's always something more. And then the turbo kit, you go, there's the more.
Yeah. Even on this.
Yeah.
Like 8 to 10 pounds on avgas, our Dooner Stage 2 kit. It's gonna be fun.
It makes this ride like a big Turbo X3.
Yeah.
Like, if you want power comparison, it's a big Turbo X3 feel now.
Yeah. Which
everyone likes a big Turbo X3. Yeah.
I still think you're gonna be faster, but when I turn it up a little bit, we should be pretty comparable.
Yeah.
If it's on 10 pounds and we're comparable to an FB Green, I'm happy.
Yeah, that's a good option. Because the FB Green's a great tuner setup.
Yeah, it's a good car. Alright guys, there is pretty much in a nutshell our economy turbo kit. I've got more coming shortly for this thing, so we have a lot more in-car video, we have more riding. I've also got more testimonials. We have a few people who have this kit already. They've had this kit for a while, so they actually have quite a few miles on it. They can tell you what they've experienced. And then if you want to try this kit, do a try before you buy deal, get a hold of us. I'll take you out in the Pro R. I'll let you drive it around, see what you think. That way you have a feel for it before you buy it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget, if you need something, reach out and we'll see you in the next one.